Today we're building an automated smart nightlight using an Arduino and an LDR in Tinkercad. For this build, you'll need an Arduino Uno R3, a small breadboard, an LED, a 220 ohm resistor, a 10,000 ohm resistor, and a photoresistor. This is a great beginner project for automation. The LDR detects ambient light levels, allowing the Arduino to automatically toggle the LED, simulating how real streetlights or night lamps work. Let's start by placing our Arduino Uno R3 onto the canvas. This serves as the brain of our circuit. Now we'll place our first resistor on the breadboard, and right after it, the second one. These are essential for controlling the current flow. Next, grab the photoresistor, or LDR, and snap it into the breadboard. This is the component that actually sees the light intensity. Now let's place the LED. Crucial step here. Click the resistor connected to the LED and set its value to 220 ohms. This protects the LED from receiving too much voltage. For the resistor on the right side near the LDR, set that one to 10 kilo ohms. This creates a voltage divider so the Arduino can get a clear reading. Time for wiring. I'm choosing different colors for the data pins, while using red for VCC and black for ground to keep the power lines standard. Connect the wire from the 220 ohm resistor, which is attached to the LED positive leg, over to digital pin 13. Now run the ground wire from the negative side of the LED to the G and D pin on the Arduino. Next, we attach one pin of the LDR directly to the 5-volt power supply on the Arduino. Now connect the second pin of the LDR over to analog pin A0. This is where our sensor data enters the board. This next step is important. Make sure to bridge that A0 connection to our 10,000 resistor to complete the circuit logic. Hardware is finished. Now we jump into the code editor to write the logic that will make this system work. If you have a specific project in mind, or have any questions about this project, comment below. I'm eager to hear your ideas. I noticed a small mistake here. I forgot to attach that second resistor to ground. Let's fix that now by running a wire to the GND rail. Troubleshooting is all part of the process. Everything is done now. Let's run the simulation and see it in action. Click on the LDR to simulate day and night. When we move the bar toward the dark side, the LED turns on. Move it back to the light and it shuts off. That's everything for this build. Stay tuned for the next project. If you enjoyed this Tinkercad simulation, make sure to like and subscribe for more Arduino projects.